Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of latex gloves, an essential tool in various industries. Whether you're a medical professional, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious, we've got you covered. First, let's discuss why latex gloves are so popular. Known for their flexibility and comfort, they provide excellent barrier protection while maintaining sensitivity for tasks requiring dexterity. Latex gloves come in various types, each designed for specific uses. Used in healthcare settings, these gloves are designed to minimize contamination risks. Perfect for routine examinations and procedures, offering high tactile sensitivity. Specifically designed for surgeries, these gloves are pre-sterilized and provide a secure fit. These are thicker and more durable, ideal for chemical handling and other industrial tasks. Used in food prep to maintain hygiene, these gloves are typically thinner and disposable. When choosing the right latex glove, consider factors like the task at hand, your size, and any allergies. Remember, not everyone can use latex due to potential allergies, so always have alternatives on hand. It's also important to know how to care for your gloves. Always inspect for damage before use and dispose of them properly after use to maintain safety. We hope this guide helps you choose the right latex gloves for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative content.